I'm Paul-Éric Dupuis, and I'm head of program R&D in the environmental test center of Airbus Defence and Space. Airbus Defence and Space Center, former Airbus, has a lot of experience on testing. We are testing spacecraft and so on since more than 30 years. The special things that here, the preparation phase of the spacecraft is much longer than the data acquisition part, the testing part. So we need to have something to prepare the test really in detail, and for that we have developed our Dynaworks system, which is a way to manage the data from the calibration of the sensor until the test report.
Siemens LMS has developed a new VCF4 module because of our requirement. And our requirement was that we wanted a module able to acquire the data from sensors, ICP sensor, charge sensor, or also voltage. So this is a great flexibility for us. We don't have to decide which channel goes on, which sensor goes on which channel. So it's a great flexibility. Also, the data processing, it's really fast in test lab. And also with Siemens LMS, we have developed a way to transfer the data just after the run, just after the test, and we are able to give the data to our customer in a few minutes just afterwards. So the purpose is to have an efficient end-to-end process from the beginning to the end, and also to have a shortened test campaign for our customer.
On top of this, we have started then to discuss about integration of our R&D project that we want to have inside our fully integrated chain, like wireless sensor or RFID identification. And this is also good because two teams have a very good relationship, and the collaboration now is working since 2 years, and this is something we are really satisfied about.